Welcome back! Today's recipe is stir-fry cabbage with vegan chilies dried shrimp. This spicy and delicious dish can be done in just 5 minutes. Who says vegan can't be addictive? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: cabbage, vegan dried shrimps, curry leaves optional. You don't have to add curry leaves. I have some left in the fridge, so add them in and stir fry together. I bought the ready-made vegan chili dried shrimp. It was my first time trying this brand and the spiciness was just mild spiciness. It was quite good after being stir-fried. Wash the curry leaves and push them forward gently to easily pull out the curry leaves. You can wash and slice the cabbage or tear it into pieces by hand. Personally, I think the cabbage torn by hand tastes better. Torn cabbage keeps its fibrous edges intact. Wok frying to a juicier crunch while soaking up sauces more deeply than knife cut. Every irregular bite delivers layered flavor. Add cooking oil into wok and let's stir fry cabbage. Add curry leaves and stir fry to release flavor. Frying curry leaves releases citrusy pine essential oils like citral that bind with fats in curry paste, creating a flavor carrier that permeates every ingredient with aromatic depth. Add a tablespoonful of vegan chilies dried shrimps. After a simple stir-fry, the vegetarian dried shrimps become crispy and delicious, and they are also great to eat with rice. Add cabbage once the flavors have been released. Raw cabbage seems massive but shrinks to 1/3 when stir-fried due to its water evaporation creates ideal crisp tenderness. The raw cabbage looks like a big pot, but it will be a plate after it is fried. The cabbage is piled up like a small mountain before it is put into the pot, and it shrinks into a small plate after being fried, so you need to prepare more to have enough. Don't be afraid if you see a large handful of raw cabbage. It will be slimmed down after being fried, so you need to grab at least a handful more than you think to make it enough. Since vegetarian chili shrimps are already salty, I just add vegetarian umami sauce, also called vegetarian fish sauce. Optional to add sugar and mushroom powder to tastes. Add salt to taste if needed. Vegan mushroom powder is a blend of dried mushrooms, shiitake, king oyster, etc., packed with umami nucleotides, a natural flavor booster for soups and stir-fries. Healthier than MSG. It's additive-free, rich in B12 and fiber, perfect for seasoning noodles or plant-based meats. Moderate use for gout sufferers due to purines, but safe for daily cooking. Stir-fry cabbage over max heat for 10 to 15 seconds just until leaves wilt slightly but stems stay crunchy. Beyond 30 seconds turns it soggy. Cook in batches for perfect texture every time. Cabbage packs vitamin C 36 milligrams, 100 grams, equal to oranges. Vitamin K for bones, and fiber, a detox superstar. Its sulforaphane fights cell damage, making it a must-eat for health warriors. Plate cabbage and ready to be eaten. Stir-fry cabbage with vegan chilies dried shrimp tastes so good. It's so easy and yummy. spicy vegan shrimp made from mushroom stems. Wok tossed with pounded chili paste delivers umami heat that hijacks your rice bowl. The spicy taste of the chili peppers is balanced by the seafood flavor of the vegetarian shrimps. The more you eat, the more addictive it becomes. Even non-vegetarians ask, is this really without shrimps? Cabbage is a natural disease-fighting food. Its sulfur compounds such as sulforaphane have anti-cancer and antioxidant effects, and chlorophyll helps the liver detoxify. It is especially suitable for people with 3 highs and those who stay up late. Curry leaves citrusy pine notes dance with wok charred cabbage and spicy vegan shrimp, creating a timely flavor riot. While vegan dried shrimps and fried curry leaves deliver alternating hits of umami and aroma all hinging on perfect timing, cabbage stir-fried in 10 sec, curry leaves toasted low and slow, shrimp seared golden, a rice-emptying masterpiece. Carbazole alkaloids in curry leaves improve circulation, combating hypertension for seniors and poor blood flow for women. It contains also antioxidants like quinolines may delay dementia and menopause-related memory loss. Curry leaves contains high bioavailable iron plus folic acid fights anemia pair with vitamin C foods for absorption. Leaf all beta-caryophyllene treats scalp issues, acne when applied, detoxes when consumed. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Start anytime, gain anyway. Going vegan at any age reduces cholesterol and gut issues. Consistency matters more than timing. Gradual wins, transition with meatless Mondays for better adherence. Even late starters feel energized. Science backs it. Studies prove switching post-60 still lowers inflammation and heart risks in 2 years. Just diversify your plans. Complete nutrition, beans, nuts, and whole grains deliver full protein profile, while veggies cover micronutrients often outperforming meat-based diets. Disease fighter, linked to lower heart disease and diabetes risks thanks to zero cholesterol, high fiber and antioxidants. Easy and adaptable. From Mediterranean to Asian tofu dishes, going meat-free is eco-friendly and budget-smart. Start with a few swaps per week. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference, whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.